Hello dears, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can take backup from your specific users. So when you are going to create a user with your Windows, so it's going to generate a lot of files and folders along with your user. So let me show you first how we can create user. We can use the shortcut way lsu or mgr.msc. So we're going to hit enter. So once this is open, so when you're going to create a user, so now I have these users which is already disabled. You can see this John, we didn't enable this, or this administrator, only this Firdaus is now enabled. So it's already created and I am already logged in. So how you can take backup from your user, you're going to click on the PC on the desktop, click on drive C, click on users. So now you can see we have this public and Firdaus. So if I click on the Firdaus user, you can see we have this contacts, we have this desktop. So if I enter, so you can see the desktop for this specific user. So also we have this documents, downloads, favorite, links, music, OneDrive, so pictures, save games, searches, and also videos. So when you're going to install or planning to install a new Windows, so you need to back up all these files to your specific folder. So it means that when you're going to select every file that you have over here, you're going to take backup from the C drive, because the C drive is the Windows is default installation location. So if you're planning to install a new Windows, so when you're going to install and you're not going to partition this whole hard drive, you only want to format this drive, so you're going to be inside this your users, and you're going to select everything that's under your user. So we are going to right click and we are going to copy. So now if you click copy, so you can paste it to your other drive, or you can copy or take backup to your specific external drive as well. And let me show you with the user, there's a lot of other files that it's already hidden. So we are going to make it unhide. So how you can do that, we are going to click show more option, and from the view we are going to click on the show hidden files and folders. So we are going to OK. So now when you click OK, so here is the app data. If you double click, you can see that you have 3 files available here. So like local, if I click on the local, so you can see all the files that's going to show up here. So also you can take backup with this, but this is really not important to take backup from this, because if you're going to take backup from this app data, it's a temporary file, so you don't have to take backup. So the important thing is that here when you're going to take backup, so be careful if it's turned on, if this file is on. So a lot of files could be inside this when you're going to install a new app inside Windows. So a lot of other apps is going to be temporary available, their files is temporary available inside this app data. So don't make a backup from this. You just need to go to this options and click on the view tab, click on don't show hidden. So we're going to click OK. So now we are going to only back up these files that's really important with your users. So you can see when I'm going to back, so here you can see that John user, because I didn't log in yet. If you log in inside your user, so these files going to generate, this desktop is going to be available, this contact file is going to be available, like this documents and also others. If you log in inside your OneDrive, so the backup of your OneDrive is going to be available. And also if you put pictures here, and also you can access all these files in here as well, like desktop, document, download, music, picture, and videos. So this is really important to know if you're working for a company, and if you're working in an IT department, so someone is come to you and request for changing their Windows. So when you're going to install a fresh Windows, you have to be careful about all of these things. You have to take backup all these files to a specific folder, then you can install a fresh Windows to the PC. So hope you guys enjoy this video and really it help you in your works. And if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, so please hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.